Welcome to Talk Jamaican. I'm Joan Williams. In 2016, I wrote a book called Talk Jamaican. It gives the meanings of a lot of Jamaican words. And as the demand for the book grew, I updated it in September 2020. And because you have been so great and been purchasing this book from Amazon.com, both in paperback and in ebook, I've decided to start giving you free lessons in the Jamaican language on YouTube. Now, the Jamaican language is called Patois. It is spelled P-A-T-O-I-S, but it's pronounced Patois. And as all great languages throughout the world, it has borrowed words from various languages. Some have been borrowed from English, some have been borrowed from Spanish. But the basis of our language are African dialects, because you know African slaves came to Jamaica and they brought their language with them. The most popular language that you will find words from in the Jamaican language is the Twi language of Ghana, because a lot of our ancestors came from Ghana. Now, our language is pronounced phonetically. So anyhow you see it spelled in Talk Jamaican, that is how you pronounce it. Now, the structure of the lessons will be that I will tell you a story or do a commentary in Patois, and then I will give you an overview in English, and you will gradually, with reference to your Talk Jamaican book, within no time you'll find that you chat like a me, or chat like a we. It's a beautiful language, and because of the popularity of our music and our athletes, enough people want chat like a we. So if you follow back at me, you can't go wrong. Zine?